Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be doing a Q&A. I have about 19 questions that I'll be answering for you guys. So let's get started. So I have Zachary with me.
Hello.
And he will be reading the questions and the answer for you guys. So I'm fully focused. Okay. Oh, you guys gave me some of these questions. So here's my answer.
Number 1. What's your full name?
My full name is Tajari Kimika Ellington. And everybody should know by now, mommy calls me Trinell.
Number 2. What inspired you to start your business?
A lot inspired me to start my business, but I'm going to tell you two things. I grew up in business because mommy had businesses and she still does have a business, but I have been surrounded by business my whole life, so that was one of my inspirations. And the other one, I love money. What other driving force could there be but the love of money?
Number 3. If you could travel to any country for 48 hours, where would you go?
That one is kind of a tricky one, but I would say Paris. I love Paris. I've never been, but I love the whole idea of Paris. I love how it looks. I love how they talk. I love how they dress. I love everything about it. So I would say I would go to Paris.
Number 4. What inspired you to start YouTube?
Ha! Funny enough, when I actually said I was going to start my YouTube channel, people were saying, finally, come on, look how long you for start it. But what really inspired me to start YouTube, because it is a bigger space where I can share my experiences, share things that I've learned, and just share. So I started YouTube to share the long-awaited YouTube channel.
Number 5. What would you like to say to Zachary 10 years from now?
So 10 years from now, Zachary will be 20. Yes, 10 years from now. No, but you're going to be 10 couple months from now.
Oh.
So 10 years from now, Zachary will be 20. So what I want to say to Zachary 10 years from now is, I hope 10 years from now you're controlling your mouth. Because if you know Zachary, side eye. If you know Zachary, you know say Zachary mouth. Zachary will tell you as it is and like him just do business. So I hope 10 years from now when you're 20, you're controlling your mouth.
Number 6. What was your childhood like?
I had a very fabulous childhood. I had one of those childhoods where I could have been a child, if you understand what I'm saying. So I went to church a lot. I went out with my family members a lot. Auntie used to always say, when I was younger, she used to carry me to the movies, but it's the show used to watch me. So I had the childhood where I was able to be a child. I was able to just experience life as a child and grow up. I had grandma as well. She really was there for my childhood. She was my childhood. We used to go to church together. She used to take me to dancing, all of that. So my childhood was very much fun, and I think my childhood really makes me the person I am now, because I'm not going to say it was perfect, but there was no struggle to say it made me fierce in how I approach things, or it made me talk back to things because I had an issue with authority. No, there was nothing like that to say scar me or anything like that in my childhood.
Number 7. What age did you become a Christian?
I was 9. Yes, I was 9. I got baptized when I was in grade 4. So I was 9. So I got baptized in January of grade 4. So I turned 9 October and then got baptized in January. I was 9 years old.
Number 8. What are some of your shortcomings?
I'm going to tell you one. I am very miserable. Like, Zachary whispering is true. Like, I don't know. I think I'm miserable without a cause. But I'm very miserable. I'm a cranky person per se. Like, I will have a smile on my face, but I'm a bit cranky. So that is Zachary saying a lot. So that is it for me. Yeah, I'm cranky.
So number 9. Number 9.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the best place you've ever spent a vacation, whether local or abroad?
Locally, I would have to say Portland. I love Portland. I think Portland is one of the prettiest places in Jamaica. It is extremely beautiful. The water, always so nice. Everything about Portland just nice. And actually, the first time I went to Portland, I was 18 years old. It was on my 18th birthday. I went to Portland with my pastor, his wife, and a few of the girls from church. We were going to Portland to get goods for harvest. That was my first experience going to Portland, and I have been in love ever since. So that is it for me.
Number 10. How have you been able to maintain your spiritual life?
Maintaining one's spiritual life, I don't think it's something that you can do by yourself, or something that you can say, okay, this is how I am going to approach it by myself, because Christianity on a whole is a group effort, starting with you as the group leader because it's your life. But how I have been able to maintain it, I tell myself that since starting the mind, so you start thinking about doing it before you actually go on to do it. And if you can actually catch up on yourself that you're thinking about to do it, then there is room to say, okay, this is how I am going to approach the situation, to not do what I am thinking about. I also surround myself with people that I know will motivate me to stay on the straight and narrow. So that is basically it for me. I surround myself with people, and I do a lot of retrospect. I think about things a lot, and I try to put what I think about into action. So that is it.
Number 11. What are some of the things that keep you motivated to continue everything what you do?
What keeps me motivated to continue everything that I do? Yes, Zachary pointing on him. Zachary keeps me motivated. Zachary keeps me grounded. Zachary is just there because I said to myself, I want to be an example of a big sister that he can always look up to say, oh, my big sister does this and I want to do this too. And then I don't just want it to be my big sister do this and I want to do this too, and it's anything. I want it to be top of the line, top notch, on the straight and narrow. I want it to be as good as it can be, so that he can have a good example to follow from his big sister. Because when you look at things, sometimes our siblings don't follow our parents 100%, especially if they have a big sister. Because mommy always say, everything you do, Zachary, follow. And looking at it really and thinking about it, is true. If I laugh a particular way, him pick up the laugh. If I eat a particular something, him want it and him like it too, even if he has never tried it before. So Zachary is one of those things that keep me motivated to do everything I do and continue to do it.
So number 12, do you enjoy roller coasters? Because I do,
Yeah,
especially Splash Mountain.
I enjoy. Here's Zachary saying, I will give you a Splash Mountain story too. So I love roller coasters. Love. Like, if I go to an amusement park, I will scout out the roller coasters first, then I do everything else. So, roller coaster story. I remember when we did our family vacation one year, we went to SeaWorld. Going to SeaWorld, we went on this ride. I don't remember what the ride name, but
Dumbo?
basically, no, it's not the Dumbo. Dumbo was at Disney.
Oh.
But basically, the ride mimics the motion of a shark hunting its prey. So it is at the speed of how the shark hunt in the sea, and it gives the motion of how they go in the sea when them hunting them prey. Go on the ride, we think it was a little easy ride.
Oh,
So it was me, my cousin Rasheen, my auntie Shireen, and auntie Yannick. Hey. No, you weren't on that ride, Zachary.
Oh,
Say,
I
hey.
was.
So when we go on the ride,
I
everything
was.
starts off smooth and everything.
I was on it.
No, you weren't on that one. Everything starts
sure?
off smooth. More positive. Yeah, Zachary, say you never on it. Everything starts off
I
smooth
remember-
and everything
I
was
remember when
good.
I did that.
And I was like, okay, this is a good ride. So the ride start ascend almost at a 90-degree angle. And you see when we reach at the top for the ride to drop, everybody start basically panic. See, by the time we were halfway through the ride, my auntie said she basically give up because she said, God, if this is it, oh God, that was literally her words, oh God. Auntie Shireen cling on so tight. It's like as if them they just give up. My cousin Rasheen, she was screaming on the top of her lungs. And I was there enjoying myself while they were afraid, they were fearing for their lives, and I was enjoying myself. And Zachary said another one, Splash Mountain. That is not really a roller coaster, but it just have a big drop at the end. When after the ride, I went to look on the pictures. Everybody screaming, ah! In the picture, this was everybody. And in the picture,
Yeah,
my
was
hand
there.
was up,
Yeah.
and I was holding my little cousin, and I was saying, yay! I was like, no, this is crazy. But I love roller coasters.
Number 13, do you miss most about being young?
What do I miss most about being young?
Yeah.
No responsibilities. I mean, when you're younger, you have responsibilities, but you don't really have responsibilities. Because the most your parents going to do is tell you to take up your clothes, or keep your room straight, or put your shoes where they're supposed to go. So that is what I miss most about being young. Limited responsibilities.
Number 14, what's your favorite color?
Zachary said pink. My favorite color is pink. I love pink, but I think lavender is giving pink a run for its money as of late. But I love pink. Any shade of pink. Pink is me.
Number 15, have you ever donated to charity? No, you have not.
Yes, I have actually.
Mm-hmm.
I have
Mhm.
donated to charity.
Mm-hmm.
I donate, and charity is not where like you just say Father how long or anything like that. Charity or charitable acts, I have, and I do it at least 3-4 times a year. So yes, I love giving back. I really love giving back. It's something that I hold close to my heart, because I always say if there is an opportunity to give back, or if there is an opportunity to gather or rally the troops and get support to give back, I will definitely do it.
Number 17. What are you Number 16.
Mhm.
Sorry. What has been your most questionable hairstyle?
If you
The
know
braid?
me, if you know me, you know
I
that
do.
I love the color. Well, I still like colors, but I'm not able to do colors as I used to back then. But I love colors, so I would have ball my head basically and color my whole head in whatever color. But those weren't as questionable as when I did an undercut. Them time the undercut did around the place, and I take it up on my enough self to do an undercut. So I shaved the back of my head, quarter of my head back, and put a big everlasting design in my head back. That never again. That wasn't for me. And then the funny thing about it, I liked it and I said, oh, this look good. When I do it, I was so uncomfortable. I end up just shave it out. It was awful. I didn't like it at all.
So, number 17. What are you looking forward to in 2013?
2013?
2020. 2023.
2020, I mean 2023. Experiences. I am looking forward to experiences in 2023. That is it for me. Experiences. So just simple. I'm looking forward to experiences, new experiences that will bring joy.
Like a car.
If I get a car in 2023, yes.
So, the last question, number 18. 5 words your family members would use to describe you. 1.
Yes, what is one?
Miserable.
Yes, Zachary.
2nd, cranky. 3rd, terrible.
Terrible? Why
Yes.
terrible?
Because you are.
With what?
4th, lazy.
Lazy.
And 5th, hardworking.
Okay. Alright, so you get it from a family member, so him say miserable, cranky, terrible, lazy, and hard work. Terrible is tentative because I am not terrible. But
Yes, you are.
so those were 19 questions.
18.
18 questions. If you have more questions you'd like me to answer, feel free to put it in the comment section or send me a message on Instagram, or you can send it to my email. Everything is linked in my profile. Thank you guys for watching my Q&A. Have yourself a good day, night, or morning, whenever time you're watching this, and remember to like and share and tell your friends to subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye-bye.